Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying function and topic of today's video is built-in function any. Let's start. Inbuilt any function syntax any in parenthesis parameter or argument, which is a iterable. Iterable is a container which can be iterated upon. It can be a list, tuple, dictionary, set. Operations. Returns true if any element of the iterable is true. Second, if the iterable is empty, it will return false. If you write a user-defined any function, that function would look like this. If user any, it will take one, accept one argument in the parameter iterable colon. For every I in iterable, we will check the value of I. If I is present or it is true, will return a value true. What this for loop indicates? This for loop indicates that if any element is present inside the iterable which is true, we will return a value true. If this loop runs completely and we don't execute the return statement, means any inside the iterable there was no element which was true, all the elements were false, or the iterable was empty, therefore we return false. Click on the cell, run the cell. We check some example for this. We create an empty list first. A is equal to opening and closing parenthesis, means this is an empty list, and we call any function. Any on an empty list will return a value false. Click on the cell, run the cell. Next example, where there are elements inside the list and some of the elements are true and some of the elements are false. As per the definition, if any element is true, it will return a value which is true. 0, 11, 22, 33, 0. There are some elements were 0, but some elements were positive. If we run any function on A, it will return a value true. Click on the cell, run the cell, true. We cross check our userany function. Our userany. Click on the cell, run the cell. Output is false. Userany on the second case where list contain elements and some of the elements are positive, some of the elements are false. The output will be true. Same we cross check for tuples, dictionaries and set. Click on the cell, press escape B. Enter into the cell, create a tuple which is empty, run any function on the empty tuple, it will return a value false. Click on the cell, run the cell, see the output, it is false. Escape E. Now we create a tuple which is containing some element, some of them are positive and some of them are negative. B. We created a tuple which contains n number of elements. Some of them are positive, some of them are negative. It will return, if you run any function on B, it's a string, it should be in double quotes. If you run any function on B, it will give you an output as true. If any of all the elements of this tuples are false, then any function will return a value false. Click on the cell, run the cell, run any function on B, it will return a value false. This was tuples. Now we cross check it for dictionaries. We create an empty dictionary. C is equal to opening and closing parentheses, and if we run any function on this empty dictionary, you will get the value false. Now we create a dictionary wherein we will check the keys. If the key contains any one of the key contains a non-zero value, then any function will return a value true. Otherwise, it will return a false. Give a zero value and we provide it a string. Key value pairs. You give a non-zero value and we provide it a string. And if you run any function on this dictionary C, one of the key was positive or true, therefore this dictionary will give output as true. We check example for set. We create an empty set. D is equal to set opening and closing parentheses. After creating an empty set, we run any function on that empty set. It will return a value false. D, we create another set which are containing elements and all the elements are either false or zero. If this is the case, any function will return a value false. Because all the elements are false, no one of the element of the set is true. False, 0, comma 0. It should be false. Click on the cell, run the cell, run any function on it, any key. After running this function, you will get the value false. If the string is empty, then output of any function, any which is containing a iterable, which is an empty string, false. Any, it contains a string which is having some characters, output of any function will be. Thanks for watching. Refer this tutorial series to your friends. Leave your feedback below in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.